Hi, I'm just going to take a quick look at my new Cuvave Fuzz Pedal today. So I'm going to take a little look at my new cheap fuzz pedal today, made by Cuvave. Now I've seen various videos on this. Go and check out Ryan on 60 Cycle Hum. He's been raving about it. He runs a series of videos called Pedalboard, all cheap guitar pedals. And I really fancied trying this on a ukulele, but I couldn't get hold of one for ages. And then suddenly on Amazon, a fuzz pedal, cheap fuzz pedal, this one, suddenly appeared, but it didn't say Cuvave on it. It was just this colour. And I recognised it and thought, well, no, it probably isn't, but for $17.99, it was worth a little try. And hey presto, when it turned up in its nice plain box that just said mini pedal on it, I opened it up to see it actually was a Cuvave. There seems to be a couple of different versions of this now. I believe this is the original gated model, purely because of the sound that comes off it, which you'll hear in a minute, and the colour of it as well. So let's introduce my Cuvave. So the Cuvave, really cheap, as I've already mentioned. 3 controls, very easy to use. You've got volume, you've got tone, and you've got gain. And it's got what's called a gate built in. In other words, there's very little sound off there at the minute. And it sort of stops straight away. There's nothing making any noise apart from when the string is being heard. I'm not an expert, all right? You can get gate pedals, noise gate pedals, which do the same thing. This one has got it built in. So that does make it, there's a lot less just general sound noise coming out of the amp. I'm using my Hughes and Kettner Nano, going through my Barefaced cab, the 110. I have ordered a guitar cab. Soon as it arrives, you guys are going to see it. So back to the Cuvave Fuzz. So what I'm going to do, as I said, I'm going to try and keep this nice and short. I've got my Fanner Exosphere today, but I'm sure you're going to see this pedal and other electric ukes pretty soon. So let's just give it a quick playthrough. It's on everything about 12 o'clock at the minute, okay? So with everything at about 12 o'clock, just for info, my tone at the minute is on full. I'm just going to dial that back a little bit. I am on these 2 pickups, so the neck pickup and the middle pickup, and my volume's at full. Over on the amp, there isn't actually any gain. Let me just play you the clean signal. I say clean signal, I've got a little bit of reverb on and the EQ, but obviously the fuzz pedal isn't on at the minute. All right, so clean. I've got the gain turned quite down. I didn't want anything coming through on that to spoil what I was going to hear from this pedal. Okay, so we got a bit of fuzz. Fuzz is a type of distortion, but it's different to the other types of distortion. I got crunch distortion and overdrive. gain up full. Let's go up with the tone. Let's go right back with the tone this time, but I'm going to leave the gain up full. Makes a very different effect coming out of there. Right, back up 12 o'clock with the tone. I'm not going to mess about with the volume too much. Let's just put the gain down to 0. So even with the gain right down, you're still getting a lot of fuzz. I'm going to turn the actual tone right up on the uke now. Okay, as I said, it's a different kind of distortion to the one I've had before. Right, let's go back up with everything. I'm going to turn the tone just down a little bit on the ukulele. So the fuzz, about 2 o'clock. Same for the tone. This is only really going to appeal to the rock stars, rock chicks out there. I am having brilliant fun though, I'm not going to lie. Just to tone up a little bit more, but the gain right up. Let's go up a little bit with the volume. Loving it. Oh, it is. It's horrible and dirty, innit? Right, so that is the Cuvave Fuzz Pedal. Go and have a check of Ryan on 60 Cycle Hum. He has got an awesome channel, but that's where I found out about this one from. I'm sure it is going to end up on the pedal board. There are a couple on there that I'm not quite using as much, and in fact, if you notice at the minute, I've put it where the tuner would normally go, just as a quick setup to have a go today. And I say have a go today, I'm not going to lie, I've been playing with this for the last few evenings. I have tried the Flight, obviously I've tried the Fanner, and I've tried the Reezer. I will start doing comparisons of the 3 ukes soon, and I will certainly show you what the Flight Pathfinder and the Reezer LP sound like through the Cuvave. So there we go, that's the Cuvave Fuzz Pedal. Very, very cheap, $17.99 when you can get hold of it. I have had great fun with this, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a keeper on the board. As always though, if you do have a comment or a question, please feel free, leave it below, give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.